This is the Ninja Warrior course our grandpa built us. Okay, so Grant is going to be our demonstrator today. Okay, I'm going to show you what it all is. First, it's the zip line. You have to go down. Once you touch the ground, you move on to the army crawl, which is a fence. You cannot bump your head, that might hurt. And crawl under all the army crawl. Once you get out of the army crawl, you run over to the spider climb. You have to climb between the hay bales and keep your balance. It's taking photos. Once you get past this, you have to push a heavy tractor tire and hit the last one right there. So Grant is going to take the tire and try to hit it. He's losing it. It's a hard tire to lift. Now he's got to pick it back up. There you go, he's got it. Okay, usually you hit it. Okay. Can he get it, folks?